here, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to make a mech suit helicopter. But before we get started, I just want to mention you will need a screwdriver, the screwdriver tool and the scale tool. Right, let's get into it. So first you're going to want to place a switch, button or lever, and that will come in handy later. Right, now you're going to want to get some wood and scale up 40 scale block height, not blocks. Look there. Now you're going to want some titanium, scale up for scale 10 by 8, just like that. Now what you're going to want to do is place titanium rods just like this, and the exact same on the other side. Now you're going to place some metal or titanium rod just about there. Now going to get your wheel and place titanium rods on a cross configuration on it. Just like this. Now all you need to do is get onto the building part. So that's our helicopter done. Now from the front middle you're going to want to go one block from the front in the center of the actual build. Now I'm going to scale down 20 scale block height. Going to get a piston, just like that. Now get another plastic block, and place another piston, just like that. Then finally another plastic block, scale out one block or 2 scale block length, then place a plastic block, scale up 10, just like that. Now scale back 6. Now get yourself 2 more pistons, just like that. Now what you're going to want to do is place a boat motor just right there, and get another plastic block. Now you're going to want to scale this up 30, just like that. Now scale across 9 by placing a block there, and just scale across 9 right there. Now place a block there, scale out, or just place 4 blocks just like that. There you can see 2 blocks, and place 1 like that, 2 just like that. Now 1 here, and scale up 29, just like that. Same on the other side. Now get some titanium and scale it in 1. Now scale that down, scale out so it's 8 at the back, and scale out front so it's 18, just like that, and scale out to the side 7. Same on the other side. So 8 out back, 7 out to the side, and to make it 18 out front. Now to get onto the actual suit part, place a chair underneath the plastic pole, just like that. Get a titanium rod right there, Then place a piston on the side right there. Now what you're going to want to do is place a switch or a lever on the side. I'm going to use a lever just because my avatar has a tonk on it, meaning I will not be able to see the switch. Now what you're going to want to do is get yourself any sort of method to get up, just like that, and then you're going to want to set the extension length to the piston to 7. Extend it, get a hinge, any kind, a servo. Then place the servo and then get a chair. Now, time to set up the binds. So the binds are going to be, remove the bind for that, and the reason why we had the switch there is because nothing will bind if it's already binded, so that's useful. So bind the switch or the lever to the piston and the hinge, and then bind it to the wheel and the single piston down here, just like that. Now you're going to bind the 2 double stacks of pistons to the chair, just like that. And then you're going to bind the boat motor to the chair. So S, D, A, and W. Then what you're going to want to do is get your properties tool or the screwdriver, deselect the 2 platforms at the side, turn everything collision off, then select all again and deselect the actual helicopter, and then turn everything invisible. Now you're going to want to place a portal or some method to get up to the chair. I'm just going to use my jetpack because why not? You might want to keep the collision on the wooden chair itself. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit just to get onto it. Yeah, I should really collision it on. Just like that. Now you're going to want to save at this point, so there. Then get yourself a cake, place it on yourself, remove the chair, unanchor all, and then you're done. Flick the lever and you're flying, just like that. Anyway, thanks for watching, see you in the next video. TonkDonk, bang!